In this strange and unusual year, are you feeling a bit stuck on what to gift for Christmas? Have you thought about gifting a skill to your loved ones rather than buying them things? The London Embroidery School now has 25 online classes in 12 technique families. With kits starting from just £5, there's definitely something to suit the crafter in your life. Whether you are looking for a little stocking filler to occupy them for an afternoon, or a gift that will teach them a whole new skill set and launch a new embroidery passion, we have the kit and online class just for them. And whilst we don't know whether we'll be able to see each other to exchange gifts in person, let us take care of that for you too with our end-to-end gifting service available on any physical item or online class kit bundle. We will send the gift directly to them, beautifully wrapped up on the 1st of December, ready to slip out of the mailer bag and pop right under the tree. Complete with an embroidered card and your choice of handwritten message, pop over to the London Embroidery School website to let us show you all your options. Because you know, Christmas is coming.